Read-only editing modes in architectures. You will mainly find yourself in this mode when a project has been shared with you that is not meant to be edited. This prevents any modifications or alterations to the design. In these cases, although it's not possible to generate downloadable files for the project, you can still navigate through all levels to view floor plans, examine the budget, and interact with the model. Just like in auto and manual modes, from the Model tab, you can define a specific location and date for solar studies, create horizontal and vertical clipping plane to analyze the relationship between buildings and their environment, and place cameras to generate perspective views. For this reason, View mode is ideal for presentations or for sharing with third parties, whether or not they are users of the platform. We encourage you to continue watching the next video to learn more about our platform.